In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a moody look in Lightroom Classic. Whether you're going for that cinematic atmosphere or a classic film-style aesthetic, achieving a moody vibe in your photos can add a whole new dimension to your storytelling. So, let's dive right in and get started in the Develop module where all the magic happens. Firstly, let's talk about highlights. The key to preserving that moody feel is to avoid an overly bright look, which can detract from the ambiance you're aiming for. By bringing down the highlights, you ensure that your image retains its depth and mystery without any unwelcome glare. Next up are the shadows. Here, you have a couple of choices. You can either bring the shadows down slightly to deepen them, which helps in maintaining that rich and enigmatic vibe, or adjust them to create a sense of separation. This could involve reducing the blacks or deepening those shadows just enough to draw out subtle details that might otherwise be lost. Now, when you move on to the blacks and whites, focus on lowering the blacks to further deepen the mood. This reduction can significantly impact the overall atmosphere of your photo, giving it a more intense, dramatic look. You might also want to slightly reduce the whites. By doing so, you avoid too much contrast, which could cause certain areas to pop out more than you'd like. For example, reducing the blacks by about 20 to 30 can work wonders in many scenarios. Moving on to contrast, increasing it slightly can help sharpen the tonal separation, enhancing that moody look by emphasizing the difference between light and dark areas. The goal is to make sure your image doesn't feel flat, but instead has a pleasing depth that draws the viewer in. Now that we've set up the basics, switch to the tone curve in point mode. Here, you'll create a gentle S-curve, a classic technique within photography editing. By raising the highlights and lowering the shadows, you add just the right amount of contrast, enhancing the depth without overpowering the mood. If you're aiming for an even more nostalgic and film-inspired vibe, you can also lift the blacks slightly by moving the bottom left point of the curve upwards. This gives your blacks a faded look, reminiscent of old-school film photography, and perfect for achieving that film-style moodiness. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your photo to give it a moody look that stands out. Remember, the key to mastering this style lies in subtle adjustments and personal experimentation. Feel free to tweak these settings to better suit your photograph's unique character and your personal taste. With time and practice, you'll find the perfect balance that conveys the exact mood you wish to capture. Happy editing and enjoy bringing your artistic visions to life.